Well, the first time I see that I like this here. Ach du Scheiße. Yetti be ya. Well, here goes my car. Everything is destroyed. Everything is destroyed. Wires are ripped off. There goes my car. Like I have money to fix what was before. Cam yok, arka farı kırmış, o bile yetiyor. Ama bütün her taraf gitti yani, her taraf çöktü. Ah, bu araba öyle sigortası yok ki, full kasko sigorta yok ki bunda.
Ne var bunda?
Ha? Normal, karşı
Kaza
taraf.
sigortası. Bundan bir şey.
Nereden çıktı bu hava böyle? Haberlerde haber gelmesi lazım. So this is again the aftermath. We had a hailstorm 2 days ago, and my car got pretty beat up. Actually, you can't even see the dents. Most of the dents, they're all over the car, mostly on this side and the roof, of course. And it even ripped out turn signals and many dents. And this is actually the worst one, which also chipped the paint and broke my blinker here. And Well, I pretty much have to repaint the car, but there is several problems to that. First of all, I don't really have the money for it to get it fixed. Secondly, since we have amazing many cats, and you can see it here, those are actually cat footprints. They love to get off they like to get on top of the car and sit there, and by doing so actually scratch up the car pretty bad. So even if I would paint the car, it would get scratched up pretty quickly, not to mention get dirty and so on. So what I'm actually planning on is to make a foldable car garage, since I cannot build anything out of concrete here, and I need this pathway to the back of the house for our grandfather with his scooter. So, and any pre-made car garages are wider than the room I have here. I actually just have enough room, as you see, for the car itself. And when I open the door to get out of the car, obviously, or get in, I'm crossing the sidewalk here, which any building cannot do. So it has to be something foldable. I have a rough idea in my head, and I will be making a building log, video log, blog, and I might share the plans for free, or sell them like other YouTubers do. When they build something, they sell the plans, and it seems to be okay for them. But if I want to sell anything, I'm the bad guy. Although all I'm promoting is my products, which help me to make a living. And oh, it also ripped out, see this here, it ripped it out from the other side, and also destroyed my outside mirror. Given on this side it was glued in, and it ripped out of that, and that little piece of plastic does cost around $350 here. $350. I don't know why. Anyway, I might just repaint it and glue it back on, because obviously it's a crazy amount of money. Oh, actually, this is something new I saw. I didn't see this before. The dent chipped the paint. Oh, great. Oh, I also saw my one of them is gone. But actually I did want to take these out anyway and have them filled up and put the nozzles on the wipers itself. I bought that stuff already, actually. Like, I knew this is gonna happen, but here's also a pretty big dent, and here again paint chip. My grill was like that. I will have to strip that and repaint it. And luckily, very luckily, none of my glasses broke, because it's Chrysler in Europe. It's gonna be in Bulgaria. It's gonna be very hard to get replacement or even second-hand glasses. And yeah, here's another one. Speedy. Oh. Say hi. This is Speedy. Well, when he was young, he was Speedy Gonzalez. Now he's a little bit slower. Anyway, so yeah, that's my aftermath. I will put this video together. I actually have a footage of the hailstorm going on, and me watching from the inside of the house helplessly. I could not move the car, and where to? It just came suddenly. First the sky got dark, and then I said to my wife, "Oh, rain is coming," and she said, "Yeah, it's okay, it's okay. It will help the garden. I mean, the stuff she planted." And well, it turned into a hailstorm within 2 minutes, and all the crops, all the corn that she planted, and tomatoes and vegetables, all got destroyed. This was how you call it, for wine. Not for wine, but they make liquor with it, and they call it rake here. And well, the fruit did survive, but most of them got ripped off, but the plant got destroyed. And anyway, so I will put a video together and see which one I put first. If I put this segment first, and the hailstorm later on, or the hailstorm first and then this segment. There's also dents over this. I don't know if you can see it. I mean, it did find every little piece and dented it, and it also cracked the rubber seal here. So I have to replace those because nobody's gonna stand there and pull those dents out. And I wanted them, I will try to get them in black because I like it blacked out. I do have some covers for the door handles which I will put on. And yeah, the roof is also pretty bad. It had a little damage before through hail, but from the previous owner. I don't know where it got it from, but this is pretty bad. So anyway, if you want to support, help, you can do it in various ways. You can buy something from my Tindy store, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell for future videos, hit that thanks button below the video, buy me coffee over Tindy, or even become a Patreon and help me that way. So there's many ways that you can help me financially or with growing the channel, and I will keep giving updates as soon as I have them. Now I'm going to go the planning part on the foldable cover. It will be made with plastic sheets that are meant for outside, so they are UV resistant and they're somewhat flexible. And just waiting for the car to pass. I will be using those with a frame, due to cost, not stainless steel frame but aluminum frame, and it's gonna be foldable. And I'm not using cloth, which would be cheaper, because on the cloth these little buggers will get on top of it, and while doing so will make tiny holes in them with their nails. So that's why I'm using something more sturdy. It will of course not withstand a hailstorm. I mean, it bangs up metal, so it's gonna go through, I think they're like 4 or 6 millimeter thick sheets. It will go through them, but at least it will protect the car a little more. And my main reason is if I repaint this car, here's another one. If I repaint it, I don't want the cats to scratch it, because I don't know if you can see it. these are the lovely scratches that the cats do. I had this cover repainted twice because one neighbor backed into the back, broke the light. I had a huge dent here, which you can see it crack again. And I had this hole filled. There was a windshield wiper before, and the painter could not manage to do it right, and it's chipping again. So I have to find somebody else who can do hopefully a better job. And since I'm painting 3 sides of the car, I should go for this side as well, because I don't know how they gonna, I mean, it's gonna be new paint versus old paint. And for the roof, to make it cheaper, I'm actually thinking of pulling the vinyl off and have it just fix the holes and with filler, not repaint it, and then have to put new foil on it again, which this is pretty much dull. And that way, because if you put the foil onto a freshly painted car and you pull it off, you will pull off the paint. So that is my plan. Anyway, hope you like the video. Also correct. And I will maybe see you on the next episodes. Thanks a lot and take care, everybody. Here are a few more of our cats. That's Ahmed. And this one actually doesn't have a name. They were twins. These were actually born in the drawer of my wife's how you call it, that you have on beside your bed. And yeah, he was born there. He grew up in my hand, in my palm. There's another one. So anyway, we have plenty of cats. Some just came to us, like this one here, and some were born by their parents that we had before. Yep, that's it. Here's the next candidate. Somebody's angry. That's me, not a cat. Hey buddy, let me go. Let me go. Shh. Okay.